Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to Brother Savage. Today we are going to learn the story of the bird that spoke to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Bismillah. Once upon a time, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions set out on a long journey. Suddenly, a bird flew over to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The bird was flapping its wings and looked worried. Then the bird spoke to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and told him that one of the companions has taken its egg from his nest. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam then told the companions to stop all the caravan's horses and camels. This was not an easy thing to do as there were so many of them. However, they all stopped. Then Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked who took the eggs from the nest. The companions were silent as they waited for someone to step forward. Sure enough, one of the companions stepped forward and said, "I did, Ya Rasulullah." The Prophet ﷺ smiled and said, "Then you should give them back to the bird." The companions then walked over to the nest and returned the eggs. The bird thanked the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and flew away. Jazakallahu khaira. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.